Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change a template on Squarespace or tweak it to your liking. First things first, we have to log into Squarespace account. So this is your website or your workspace, if you will. Here we have to create a new website. You can't really change a template on ongoing website, as for example for this one. You just have to create a new website. It will take you to a new editor where you want to pick what you really like. For example, online store and portfolio, and there are options that you can choose from. Those are the easiest templates. Just to start over, if you are not too far in your project, just do it with a new one. I'll promise you it will pay off. Here, when we are, and let's say we want to make changes in our website that is already existing and we invested so much time into it that would be shame if we just not continue with the website. We want to click on the website that we want to make some advances on, and then click on design. In design, we have a couple of options: browser icon, lock screen, checkout page, access denied screen, and many options that we can actually change. And obviously, when you click on edit, it will open an editor, and here you can change basically everything on your website. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.